Super Speed Legends is your ultimate channel for car enthusiasts who love speed, style, and cutting-edge technology. We bring you in-depth reviews, exciting driving impressions, and detailed insights into the latest models from around the world. Today we take a close look at the 2025 Hyundai Palisade, exploring its features, specifications, and what makes it stand out in the competitive SUV market. The 2025 Hyundai Palisade arrives as a bold yet refined full-size SUV designed to satisfy both family needs and the expectations of drivers who demand comfort, technology, and performance. On the outside, the vehicle's design exudes confidence with a wide, commanding front fascia, a prominent grille with intricate detailing, and sleek LED headlights that integrate seamlessly into the sculpted hood lines. The side profile balances strength and elegance, with clean surfaces, chrome accents, and aerodynamically optimized curves. At the rear, the vertical tail lights and broad stance give it a stable and premium look. Under the hood, the Palisade for 2025 offers a powerful yet efficient V6 engine delivering smooth acceleration and confident highway performance. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, it provides refined gear shifts and optimized fuel efficiency for a vehicle of its size. All-wheel drive capability is available for those who require extra traction and stability in various road conditions, making it versatile for both urban commuting and weekend adventures. The suspension system is tuned to strike a balance between comfort and responsiveness, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining precise handling. Inside, the 2025 Palisade sets a high standard for comfort and luxury in its segment. The cabin is spacious with 3 rows of seating, providing ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. High-quality materials such as soft touch surfaces, premium leather upholstery, and finely crafted details create a welcoming and upscale environment. The driver's cockpit is ergonomically designed with intuitive controls and a digital instrument cluster that delivers all essential information clearly. A large central touchscreen powers the infotainment system, supporting the latest smartphone integration, navigation, and voice control features. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and a premium audio system ensure that every journey is both connected and entertaining. Safety remains a core strength of the Palisade. Hyundai equips the 2025 model with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. These include forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view camera system that makes maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer. The structural integrity of the body, combined with a comprehensive airbag system, offers peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Technology is another highlight, with innovations aimed at making every drive more convenient and enjoyable. The digital key feature allows owners to unlock and start the vehicle using their smartphone. Remote Smart Parking Assist lets the SUV park itself in tight spaces while the driver controls it from outside the vehicle. Climate controls are tri-zone, ensuring personalized comfort for all passengers. Rear seat passengers enjoy dedicated entertainment screens in higher trims, and the panoramic sunroof adds a sense of openness and light to the interior. Cargo space in the 2025 Palisade is generous, with flexible seating configurations that can be adjusted to accommodate passengers or large items. Power folding seats in the second and third rows make reconfiguring the interior quick and effortless. Whether hauling sports gear, luggage for a road trip, or groceries from a weekly shop, the Palisade adapts to meet the needs of its owner. Driving the 2025 Palisade feels composed and reassuring. Steering is precise, braking is confident, and the engine delivers smooth power delivery. Noise insulation is excellent, keeping road and wind noise to a minimum for a quiet cabin experience. It is a vehicle that combines the comfort of a luxury SUV with the practicality and reliability Hyundai is known for. Overall, the 2025 Hyundai Palisade continues to build on the strengths of its predecessors while introducing refinements in design, technology, and performance. It stands as an excellent choice for anyone seeking a spacious, well-equipped, and stylish SUV that does not compromise on safety or driving enjoyment. If you enjoyed this review and want more in-depth coverage of the world's most exciting vehicles, make sure to subscribe to Super Speed Legends so you never miss our latest videos.